Welcome to Black Hat Hacking series. So in this video we are going to discuss about the cPanel based SMTPs. So if you remember in our previous videos I have shown that how you can buy a hosting or a domain from any type of hosting sites like Host, Bluehost. There are thousands in number of sites basically in the world from where you can buy a hosting or a domain name from there. And once you buy it, you can log in it. Obviously, like this one, it's a separate one. It's not bought from the hoster, so I can log in the cPanel. And we can also use, as I have shown you in the last videos, that how we can use this type of cPanels to upload a phishing page or a phishing site. Even what you can do is you can also go and create email accounts there, and you can send emails from there one by one, which is not a good option. It will behave like a Gmail. As you send the emails from Gmail, that's how you'll be sending. But we do not want that one. We want some more better way to send emails even. So today I'm going to show you how you can use the same cPanel for email sending perspective as well, like a SMTP as well. All cPanels or all hosting companies have a SMTP server as well in the backend. So I just go to File Manager and I have to upload a script. I have a PHP script, mailer.php, which you just have to go to public_HTML, and here you can upload the mailer.php. I have already there. It said you want to overwrite. I say yes. Okay, it's done. Clear. So we have uploaded in our cPanel in our hosting, and this is our website of my student. He have it, so I can just write it, the website name /mailer.php, and the mailer is open now. So you can use any website. Like last time we have used the goldcentric.com on the hoster, and the same way you can log in there. Let me pause. Like as you can see, we are logged in the hoster. Even they have changed their panel. You can go to services, my services, and we have goldcentric.com. And we can go to its cPanel. So like same way, this is goldcentric.com. You can also go to File Manager and you can upload the script. But this is a separate site. This is a separate website, separate site, and not bought on the hoster. It's bought somewhere else. So you can actually buy from any hosting company, like now.com. It's some different hosting company like hoster. So same way, my point is that you just need to buy a domain name and a hosting. Then you go to the File Manager and upload this script, and then you can your website name /mailer.php, and you can access the PHP script. And here you can mention any email from which you want to send. For example, John @ this website name, sender name John. You can also attach a file, PDF, something which you want to. Subject: hello sir, urgent email. Hello boss, please call back. And then you can write down any email where you want to. I have a fake email ID where we can just send it. And we just click send. You can give complete list of emails here, like maybe 10,000 emails, 20,000 emails. You can just paste them here and click send. As I said in this video, that every hosting company have a SMTP server in the backend, which this PHP mailer can access automatically without buying them. They are for free. The SMTP server by the hosting company is always free. So from this type of script we can access it, and we can send as many we want. And as you can see, it says that to this email it's okay, it's been sent. So let me verify that the email has been received or no. So if you can see, it came in the spam, because maybe this hosting company is not as strong. like QHoster or anyone. So it's sent from the same name, John, and with the same email ID it's been sent. Hello boss. So if you buy from some good hosting companies like Bluehost, like too many in the world, and then there if you upload this script, it will go in the inbox as well. So let me show you one thing more, that how you can buy hacked cPanels. Like someone owns goldcentric.com. Someone hacked their website and uploaded this script, and then they just sell to you the link. They give you this link that, okay, take it and send as many emails you want and just pay $7, $10, that's it. Like someone hacked this website and they go to their file manager and upload the script, and then they just give you the link. Now this link, anyone can open it in the world who pays $10 to the hacker, and anyone can send emails. So this is a website like olux.to where you can log in. You can also create account there if you don't have account. And they gives the mailers and SMTPs. As I gave you the difference last time, the SMTP is the whole server. Like as this hosting company have a SMTP server which can be used for all the websites. Like I also have a website on the hosting company, you also have a website, so all we just use the same SMTP server to send or receive the emails. And but so you can buy the whole big SMTP server as well. The whole server as well you can buy, the hacked SMTP, or you can just buy a mailer that someone hacked someone's cPanel and uploaded a script there. So if you see the hosting company, this is a hosting company, different hosting companies, and people owns websites there, and you the good thing I like about this site is that you can also test. Click send. So we have to wait, and let me verify which one comes in my inbox. If you see, this email came in the inbox. How much came in the spam? No one came in the spam even. Just one arrived, and it arrived in the inbox, 108524 and 1085, the first one. And this is the hosting company, and this arrived in the inbox, and you can just buy it in just $5. Click buy, pay $5 as a Bitcoin, and you can buy. And then they will just give you the link like this one. It could be like abc.com, any name, we do not know the website name they have hacked, /mailer.php. This could be the link kind of which they will give you after you pay them $5. You just enter, and this type of thing will open in front of you. You put your list of emails, 500, 1000, 10,000, and if you send them, they all will go inbox. Let's see if anyone else have also arrived. We refresh. No. Others have even not came. Just one came out of 5, and it came in the inbox. Let's test more even. Like send. Okay, one of them is bad even. So no one else have came. So it's better that we just buy the first one, and they give you the link, and then just send it, as we just used our own. So if you just see, the first thing which I just shown you is that we use our own cPanel. On our own we put the script and we use it. These one are also same, but these one are the hacked ones on which the scripts have been put by some hacker, and they just give you the link of someone else cPanel. So you are using someone else cPanel and their name to send or receive emails rather than using your own. So anyhow you can use it. So the point is, whether you can follow my last video where I have shown that how you can configure the Gmail in your Fastmailer Pro, which is also a very good way that you can send emails all inbox, and you can send from any name or any email ID you want. That's also because Gmail also supports 500 emails a day. According to me, that's also best. rather than buying another SMTP server, or whether you can use this cPanel method, whether your own or whether hacked one, anyway, and you can send the emails to your clients and you can forward them your phishing pages, your Trojans, hack them and make your money. So I hope you liked the video and thank you for watching.